Why choose the Miele Guard M1 Cat and Dog Canister Vacuum from #1 dealer AceVacuums? Ideal for homes with pets, thanks to a specialized turbo brush that quickly lifts pet hair from carpet and upholstery. Features a comfort fit bag system that seals dust and dander inside while delivering a 99.99% filtration efficiency. Built to last, Miele's testing ensures up to 20 years of reliable performance when properly maintained. What makes the Miele Guard M1 Cat and Dog different from other Miele models? Combines the suction power of Miele's M1 series with pet-specific accessories, including a turbo brush and active air clean filter to neutralize odors. Uses a high-capacity 4.5L dust bag made from 80% recycled materials, offering sustainable operation without sacrificing performance. Provides automatic cord rewind and a 39-foot cleaning radius, giving you the freedom to clean large areas without changing outlets. How well does the Miele Guard M1 Cat and Dog handle pet hair and allergens? The turbo brush agitates deeply embedded hair and dander from carpets and furniture. The active air clean filter traps odors and allergens while the comfort fit bag seals them away. Perfect choice for pet owners who need a quiet yet powerful vacuum that won't scare pets or stir up dust. What accessories come with the Miele Guard M1 Cat and Dog Canister Vacuum? Standard All-Tech-U floor head for mixed flooring, works on both carpet and hard floors. Pet specialized turbo brush for rugs and furniture. Dusting brush, crevice tool, and upholstery nozzle stored inside the vacuum for easy access. How durable and quiet is the Miele Guard M1 Cat and Dog? Built with German engineering and tested to withstand 20 years of average home use. Operates at about 73 dB for quieter cleaning sessions, so you can vacuum without disturbing your household. What is the warranty and support for the Miele Guard M1 Cat and Dog? Comes with a Miele factory warranty. Extended protection is available through AceVacuums. As an authorized dealer, AceVacuums handles all warranty claims on site, providing fast repairs and genuine Miele parts. Why buy the Miele Guard M1 Cat and Dog from AceVacuums instead of big box stores or online retailers? Personalized advice and hands-on demonstrations from certified Miele experts. Access to exclusive home care models and genuine accessories not available from mass retailers. Same-day Miele repairs and in-store warranty service in Fairfax and Leesburg, saving you the hassle of shipping your vacuum away. Supports a local family-run business that reinvests in the community. Where can you buy the Miele Guard M1 Cat and Dog in Fairfax County? Visit AceVacuums' Fairfax store across from Haverty's Furniture or their Leesburg location next to Home Depot. Both stores offer ample parking and allow you to test the Miele Guard M1 Cat and Dog before making a purchase. How does the Miele Guard M1 Cat and Dog compare to the Miele Complete C3 Cat and Dog? The M1 Cat and Dog maintains comparable suction power, but uses a lighter chassis and features the Comfort Fit bag system for easier maintenance. It's quieter and more energy efficient, while the C3 Cat and Dog offers a slightly larger bag and extra filtration, but at a higher price point. Both include pet-friendly turbo brush tools. Your choice will depend on budget and desired bag capacity. What cleaning tips help get the most from the Miele Guard M1 Cat and Dog? Replace the Comfort Fit bag when the indicator shows full, and don't wait until suction drops. Clean the turbo brush regularly to remove hair buildup for optimum performance. Replace the active air clean filter every 12 months for continued odor and allergen control. How eco-friendly is the Miele Guard M1 Cat and Dog? Uses bags made from mostly recycled materials and built to reduce waste by lasting longer. The high-efficiency motor delivers strong suction while consuming less energy than many competitors. Durable components mean fewer replacements over its lifespan. What size home is the Miele Guard M1 Cat and Dog best suited for? Works well in apartments and multi-level homes alike, thanks to its large bag capacity and long cord. The lightweight canister and swivel wheels make it easy to move up and down stairs. Ideal for families with pets who need daily or weekly deep cleaning across multiple floor types. Is it easy to maintain the Miele Guard M1 Cat and Dog? Yes, dust bags slide in and seal automatically without mess. Accessory tools store inside the body so you won't lose them. The telescopic wand adjusts to your height and stores neatly between uses. Visit AceVacuums for more details.